In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, residents in the farming community of Quickstep, Trelawney got their very first library. We have more from TVJ's Ken Morgan.
A Ray of Hope, pencils for kids. But this library will have more than just that. Recently, A Ray of Hope visited the Quickstep Primary School, where dozens of residents turned out to see the commissioning of their very first library. Quickstep is a deep rural community on the border of St. Elizabeth and Trelawney, and according to residents, the area is not so technologically advanced. It's why they're so excited for the upgrade.
We have students at the school who are marginalized because when they get homework, most of the textbooks now require them to go online to do their homework online. So this will be beneficial to them. We have past students from the community who goes to high school, and they have to travel to Santa Cruz on a Saturday to do their homework where the internet is prevalent.
The library was donated by the Pencils for Kids Foundation. Founder and past student Rodney Griffiths says for the past 12 years, he has been coming back to help make a change in his village.
We have a lot of people on board where we have to really take care of it. Nothing don't come easy like that. Everybody in Jamaica hungry, so you have to provide.
Principal Alicia Black admits the school has seen growth through the charity over the years.
When our playing field had rough surfaces as well as being a dust bowl in the dry season, they came and the field was resurfaced, so it made it much easier for the students to play. They have given us various technological devices, and all those devices have been used to enhance learning on a daily basis. And we have seen the fruits from that because at this present time, our literacy rate is at 100%.
Mr. Griffith says all he wants is for the community to have access to more amenities.
The weapon of success is a pencil. Then come pen. You have to be able to sign your name, with a pencil. You have to do everything with a pencil. We need to provide public transportation for these kids that's walking 2-3 miles to school. And these kids are hungry. We need to provide food for these kids. And we're not going to stop just because we build a library. We're going to bring a public school bus here.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.